Welcome to the Fall 2025 collection. It is heavily loaded with vegan leather in black and bark and balanced with nature prints, for example, the tree print, the leaves, and the fall flowers. And, of course, the classic box plaid, great neutrals to be in this environment. Black bark and elm are perfect fall colors, by the way, too. The three influences in this collection are as follows. Number one very important factor in the zeitgeist that has my attention and has a subliminal influence on my designs and my thought process is the powerful male energy I am feeling in the world around me and in present politics and on some of the best podcasts I listen to in the fitness and health area, and that's male energy. However, truth be told, so many women have powerful male energy in their work and goals and aspirations and are a part of this zeitgeist. Male energy has been looked at in a very negative way for quite some time, but it has a new revival, especially when it's in women. It's a different kind of use of male energy. There's also a balance of male energy and female energy in each of us, and so this collection is in sync with this feeling. It's a choice, and it can fluctuate. But the way it appears in the collection, for example, is the tough coolness of the vegan leather outfitted on its own, and then the contrast of the toughness with female energy, and that's feminine cool. The male energy is in life and fashion. And so what does this mean for the collection? Moto jackets in 3 lengths. Men's classic zip jackets, 2 lengths. Bomber jacket, 3 lengths. Single-breasted trench, 2 lengths. Double-breasted trench to knee. Oversized pleated pants, shorts, leggings, spat leggings. You then have a uniform of clean, cool toughness. Then to masculine, feminine energy when vegan leather is worn over some cat suits, including the new Diana cat suits. Yes, Diana as a one-piece cat suit. So cool. You can wear it anywhere, and it's perfect. It's the piece that I've wanted straight through the whole Diana, and I'm so glad we have it now. So not only do catsuits look great under these masculine bodies, but dresses and the feminine, the perfect balance of masculine, feminine, cool. The hats felt so right for the collection, a category adding another layer of masculine, feminine, cool, from the fedora to the velvet turbans. I love the hats, and I haven't done them in a very long time. I had a fun license with Stetson at one point, and I'm using some Stetson's hats in this collection. The Bob Dylan film and the Rolling Thunder Tour Scorsese film on Dylan made me appreciate the genius of Dylan. Quite frankly, I was into different music at the time he was coming up and extremely popular, and I just wasn't made aware. Dylan, in his genius, understood the importance of personal style and using style to entertain as well. He wore hats, still does, and they add another texture and attitude and story to the silhouette. From suit looks to gowns, the coolness of the hat contrasts, which helps again with the masculine feminine energy in the fedoras and the feminine energy in the turbans. The prints celebrate the beauty of nature, and that appealed to me from the day I first made my sleeping bag coat. This tree print is something I've used in the past and many, many years ago, and I loved it. And to me, the tree print is a new camo for me. The classic, timeless quality of these prints made in the styles on the collection a lifetime of an investment. When you have a print that is timeless. You will never, ever, ever not be able to reinvent your wardrobe with these styles. During the Los Angeles fires, I was spending time in the sample room surrounded by these amazing prints celebrating the power and the beauty of the forest, the trees, and the leaves. It was heartbreaking to watch the fires and at the same time be in my sample room working on these gorgeous tree prints and energy of this spiritual forest, silence, power. Anyway, the forest and nature is timely, and I am so happy that this is a key part of this collection. So there are 3 influences for the collection: masculine, feminine energy, nature, the forest, the leaves, the power and the spirituality, and then looking at the hat as an accessory. So enjoy the collection.